Hi everyone, welcome back. This video is all about my hair and specifically my hair colour. I always colour my hair at home myself. So people are often surprised to learn that I colour my hair myself, and I think that's because it can be quite a daunting process, and obviously it's a bit scary if things go wrong. But I've got it nailed down. So in this video I'm just going to talk you through some of my top tips and tricks, things that you must do to ensure a perfect result, and basically my 101 on colouring your hair at home. Keep watching. So I've been using Clairol Nice and Easy for quite a few years now, probably 7 or 8 years. I'm a real beauty DIYer, and I think it's because I'm not very good at organising my time and planning ahead. So what will happen is I've suddenly got something coming up that I want to make sure my hair colour looks nice, and I haven't booked an appointment, so I just do it myself. And I've always been like that. I'm like that with lots of things, like my nails as well. So that's why I hate getting gels, because I'm stuck with it and I can't really take it off at home. So basically, I like doing stuff myself. So I've been using Nice and Easy, which is a permanent hair colour from Clairol, for quite a few years now. In 2018, they updated the formula, and so it's a little bit different and so much better. I mean, this new formula is like a whole new level for me. There are certain things that make it better, and it's down to texture, how you use it, how you apply it, the experience, and basically the results that you get as well. I know it's naggy, but you must read the instructions. I mean, over and over again. And also, while you're on it, do a patch test as well, because you never know. Even though the new formula has got new technology that means you're less likely to have an allergic reaction, you still should do your patch test. And it's so easy. Mixing your colour is really, really easy. All you do is you take the lid off of bottle 2, which is the lid with the squirty bit, and then you pop open your tube, which is number 1, which is the colour, and you squeeze it all into your bottle, screw the cap back on and shake it up. I shake it up loads just to make sure it's fully mixed. Then you can pop the top of the nozzle off and you can start applying straight into the roots. I use the nozzle to part my hair to get the full coverage from front to back of my hair, and I go round each side until the whole of the scalp is covered, and then I massage it in. And then I move on to putting colour into the rest of my hair, which I simply squirt into the palm of my hand and then pull it through the lengths. The new formula, the smell is so much better. I mean, all hair dye has ammonia in it, which does smell. It's a smelly thing. Ammonia smells. But the new Nice and Easy formula has a new ammonia trapping technology, which basically removes that ammonia smell and replaces it with like nice, lovely smells like flowers and fruits and musk and all cool stuff like that. So basically, I don't even find that I have to open a window, which I had to before. So that's a brilliant improvement on the previous version, which I've been absolutely loving. Also, the formula has really improved in terms of how it cares for your hair. It's been enriched with antioxidants and conditioners that happen at every stage of the colouring process. And also it's got amazing new damage blocking technology, which encapsulates the copper to stop it reacting with water, which actually causes protein damage on the surface of the hair. So that side of things is covered as well. So I found my hair to be much smoother, silkier, shinier, and you know, the kind of hair that people can't believe I've coloured at home, basically. So the new formula has got like a really nice creme texture which glides over my hair. It's so easy to put in, and it smooths through all of my hair really quickly and easily, and I find that I use a lot less product. I start at the roots of my hair always, because that's where I've got the most work to cover. So that's where obviously the greys grow through here. And I use half the amount that I used to use, even though I've still got most of my hair. I mean, my hair is shorter, but all the product, 'cause the ends were very thin, so I didn't use a lot of product on the length of it. It's more the bulk of my hair because it's thick. So not only does it kind of spread more easily, the cream texture and the damage blocking means that it's really nice on my scalp. It doesn't feel sensitive at all when I use it, even though I do have a sensitive scalp which can get very dry and irritated. So that's really brilliant. And while we're talking about like the quantity of product. I think this is one of my top tips, is that you use enough product. I think because it comes in a box, people think you just buy the box, one box. If you've got thicker hair or longer hair, you might need to have 2 boxes or more. You just need to make sure you've got enough product. It's only when you don't have enough product that it can get patchy. I never go wrong with this formula because I always use a timer. So this time when I coloured my hair, I've actually done a bit of a colour tweak, because I always use 5W, which is a warm colour, but this time I used 5A because I fancied going a bit cooler toned. So this is the first time I've used 5A and I'm really happy with it. I mean, it's still got a bit of warmth because I do have lots of natural warmth in my hair, and it allows for that kind of multi-tonal finish, but it's a lot cooler, so I'm not quite such a redhead, which I'm loving as a change. When I did this, I basically put all of the colour into my roots, gave it a bit of a massage, and then as soon as that was in, I set my timer for 25 minutes. And then I started to put it all through the rest of my hair, popped it up on the top of my head, and then the second that my timer went off, I got the colour out, because otherwise it would start getting too dark for me, basically. So you just have to make sure you follow the instructions in terms of timing, because if you don't, you may end up with a colour that's darker for you. So you might put your hair colour on and then get distracted and go off and end up leaving it on for too long, and the colour will keep developing and you will end up with hair that's too dark or darker than what you originally were planning on. So do follow the timing. I absolutely love the Colour Seal conditioner, which I use. Once you wash your hair, wash the colour out of your hair, quick shampoo, pop this on. You can leave it on for 2 minutes. Sometimes I like to leave it on as a mask for longer. It's so good. It makes your hair really shiny and it seals in all your colour. I hope you found that useful. I love doing my own hair. I just love having that control and knowing that I don't need to book in or wait for an appointment or spend hours in the salon. It usually takes me about 4 hours in the salon to have my hair done professionally. It takes me under an hour if I do it at home. So I literally, as soon as I open the box, between opening the box and then drying my hair, it's all done in an hour. So it's so easy. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think of 5A as well, because I've been 5W for so long that it's a subtle change, but it'll be easy for me to go back to 5W if I do decide that I prefer the warmer look. But let me know anyway. Do leave any questions that you've got in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.